Welcome back, everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to create two completely different 3D characters using Character Creator 4 and the Headshot 2.0 plugin. Instead of building our characters entirely from scratch, we'll use AI-generated headshot images to dramatically speed up the character creation process while still achieving highly realistic results. By the end of this section, we'll have two fully developed characters ready for animation inside Mixamo and Iclone. Let's start by importing our first headshot image into Character Creator. When using Headshot 2.0, image quality is extremely important. The ideal image should feature a neutral expression, direct eye contact with the camera, even lighting, and minimal obstruction such as glasses or hair covering facial features. For this tutorial, we'll use a realistic front-facing portrait of our first character. Once everything looks correct, click Generate to create the initial 3D character. Within a few moments, Headshot produces a fully textured character complete with realistic skin details, facial proportions, and basic hair approximation. Apply clothing. With the facial features finalized, let's dress the character. The outfit reflects a contemporary style that works well for our planned animation scene. Our first character is now complete. Navigate to File, select Save As, and choose iAvatar as the file format. Give character a descriptive name that makes them easy to identify later. For this tutorial, I'll save the first character as Character 1. We've successfully transformed a simple 2D portrait into a fully realized 3D character using Headshot 2.0 with only minor refinements. Now, let's create our second character. To ensure strong visual contrast, this character will have a completely different appearance and personality. Creating visual diversity between characters helps improve storytelling and audience engagement. Character Creator produces another realistic 3D character based on our second reference image. Dress the character. I'm selecting a smart casual outfit that complements his confident personality while contrasting nicely with the style of our first character. Simply navigate to File, select Save As, and choose iAvatar as the file format. Give the character name as Character 2. Although both originated from the same headshot workflow, differences in facial structure, hairstyles, facial hair, and clothing create two completely distinct individuals. This demonstrates one of Headshot 2.0 Quote's greatest strengths, the ability to generate diverse, realistic characters quickly, while still allowing for creative refinement. With both characters complete, we're now ready to bring them to life. Inside Iclone, locate the iAvatar files we just created. Take a moment to rotate around the character and ensure that everything imported correctly before proceeding. At this stage, our characters are fully prepared for the next phase of the workflow. In the following section, we'll begin applying Mixamo animations and start bringing these characters to life inside Iclone. Applying a handshake animation using Mixamo and Iclone. Now that both of our characters are properly positioned inside Iclone, it's time to bring them to life with a simple interaction. For this tutorial, we'll create a handshake between the two characters using Mixamo animations combined with Iclone's Reach Target feature for precise hand placement. Begin by opening Mixamo in your web browser and navigate to the animation library. In the search bar, type handshake to display the available handshake animations. Browse through the results and choose a handshake motion that best matches the type of interaction you want to create. For this tutorial, I'm selecting a simple and natural handshake animation that allows both characters to greet each other professionally. Once you've selected the handshake animation, click the Download button. For the format settings, choose FBX binary and select the option to download the animation to import that directly onto our existing Iclone characters. Apply the motion clip to the first character and review the animation on the timeline. Repeat the same process for the second character, ensuring that both characters receive the handshake motion so that they perform the interaction simultaneously. At this stage, the hands may not align perfectly because Mixamo animations are created independently. Use the move and rotate tools to slightly reposition the characters so that they stand naturally facing one another. Play back the animation several times while making small adjustments until the timing and body positioning feel believable. To achieve a convincing handshake, we'll use iClone's reach target function. Select the first character and open the reach target panel. Choose the right hand as the active effector. Once properly linked and the handshake looks natural from different camera angles, our interaction setup is complete. With the handshake successfully established using Mixamo animations and iClone's reach target system, we've created a believable character interaction that serves as a great foundation for more advanced multi-character animations.